You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun. Don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it, but you haven't seen anything yet. Now you're just...
Good morning. Today we're going to be doing a cloud pour. Okay, let's try this again. Hello. Good morning. Today we're going to do a cloud pour. I'm using Willie B Studios Tiffany's recipe. It's a good recipe. It works. Why should I mess with it? It's paint and Floetrol, some water. The cloud mix is 1 part soft body acrylic paint from Artist Loft and here and 1 part pearl medium, and then like 2 parts Floetrol. Once you get them all mixed, you add a little bit of water to consistency. These are piggies. This is this little piggy Black Forest. This is this little piggy Burnt Sierra. This is this little piggy Lagoon. I think they go really pretty together. I'm hoping they'll go pretty together. Let's hope. And I'm going to be doing it in a split cup. And let's see. I'm going to be putting my Lagoon in one chamber. There we go. And my Black Forest in the other chamber. Up to the top. There we go. And then this side, a bit of cloud mix, a bit of Burnt Sierra, a bit of cloud mix, a bit of Burnt Sierra. There we go. Now on this side, I'm going to do a bit of Burnt Sierra, a bit of cloud mix, a bit of Burnt Sierra, a bit of cloud mix. There we go. You can see how that goes. Alright, I need to add just a little bit more to bring these up to equal amounts. I want them to come out equally. At least that's what I'm hoping for. If they don't, they'll catch up to each other eventually. Alright, and I already have paint on my hands. Okie doke. I'm going to set these over here. Yay! Alright, are we ready? Here we go. And I'm just going to do a simple ring pour. I'm not going to do the straight cloud pour like Tiffany does. I like the ring pours. So here we go. Let's try this. And I'll be rotating my spinner at the same time. I love the lines I get. That should probably be plenty of paint. Come on. Stop already. Ah, and I boofed the center. Of course I did. All right. Yeah, trusty little chopstick here. Let's go in and see if we can fix it, kinda, hopefully. Let's see, we're going this way, so let's go around it like that. Huh? Kind of. Hopefully that works. Okay, now, I don't have any mixed up. I don't have a flow extender mixed up. Wonderful. All right, let's just put this Black Forest down. Good enough for now. go. And I'll spread this out while this works. There you go. Get in there. Okay, oops. There we go. All right, now set this stuff aside. So I don't need it getting even more full of paint than it already is. Drippy. There we go. Ah, my torch. I will be right back. I have to go grab my torch. Okay, found my torch. There we go. Lots of little bubbles in it. I just mixed that paint, that's why. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's give it a spin. See where the weight of our paint is. I can tell it's already on this edge, so give it a little tilty. There we go. A little more spinny. Ooh, I'm digging that. Okay, let's go that way. Let's go that way. Come on. Oop. There we go, that's looking cool. I like that, but I don't know if I want to keep spinning or not. I kind of want to keep spinning. Never know. Alright, let's see how much is on here. There's not that much on there, so I think I can stop right there. Yep, I think I'm going to stop right there. Quick and easy. How fun was that?
I'd like to take this opportunity while I'm cleaning up my spot there for a flip cup with the leftovers to remind you that if you're liking what you're seeing, please do the UB2B thingies, the likey, sharey, subscribey thingies. It helps us out a lot and it's free for you. Also, a reminder that just Janice and Dave's DRH Acrylic Creations were right before me during the Thursday train. Please check the playlist down in the description.
Whoa, way too much paint. Okay. Okay, it's only been a few minutes, but here is our flip cup, or split cup flip cup. I just wanted to use up the extra paint that was in it and let it run out. I kind of overdid it. I didn't realize how much I actually put in that cup, but yeah. It's actually one of the better flip cups that I've ever done. I'm not good at flip cups. I don't know why. It's one of the most basic techniques you learn when you first begin fluid art. But yeah, nope, not for me. I've always bit at flip cups. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with this. Okay, the glare is quite bright over here. Let me see if I can tone that down a little bit. Oh, now it's too dark, huh? Yeah, too dark. Come on. My goodness. All right, there we go. Whoop. Come on, there. Yeah. There we go. It's the colors are starting to pop out of it now, so that's good. I like all the little cloud cells popping up in it. I'm digging that. And I'm really digging that spiral look to it. It's almost got that kind of Nate Bright Nautilus feel to it in a little way. So yeah, I'm cool with this. I'm excited to see how it dries. Look at that. See if I can zoom in, see if there's any shimmer yet to be visible. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now you can see the lines better. Look at those lines. How cool is that? And here are dry results. Not a big fan of how dull some of it got with the Floetrol, so I'm gonna varnish it real quick and see how it looks. Shines. I've got Vallejo satin acrylic here, and then I've got gloss varnish here. We'll see if it pops up with anything, makes a difference. We'll see.
Groove is your true nature, and it never gets hard enough for you. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one else, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell, baby. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight, boy. You got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top.
Yeah, that woke up the colors a little bit better. Still not a lot of shimmer. Still, the composition's really cool. Okay. That's it for now, and until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!